Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make as much as $100 scalping per day, guys. Scalping. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you my particular settings that makes me more confident in trading this. Watch to the end, guys. You're going to see the setting I use. Like, look, think about this, guys. You place a trade with this DBot, you go shopping, spend as much as $200 or $300, and you come back and you draw that same money from the trade. Like, basically you spent nothing in the shop. Now think about how fun this will be, how relaxing it will be. You place a trade on the right with this bot, you go get groceries, you spend $200, and before you come back that money is made. As simple as that. It's a plug and play setup, guys. You don't need to do anything, just plug it and let it run for you, guys. It's very amazing, guys. It's very amazing. You cannot get anything better right now. You cannot get any other scalping strategy better than this. You don't need to look at the chart all day thinking where are you going to place your support and demand, where you're going to enter a trade and where you're going to leave a trade. Like, it's very simple, guys. Plug and play. Now watch this video to the end. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave your notification bell turned on. I post amazing strategies every day, guys. Strategies that can change your life, guys. Comment down below, tell me your news so I can send you this free bot. Message me on Telegram, join my Telegram channel. I post free signals on boom and crash every day, guys. Free signals every day. Watch the video to the end, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? How you all doing today? I believe you're all having a beautiful day. I believe you all had a beautiful day, and I believe you made profits with your trades today. Now this is going to be an explanatory video about the Deriv DBot's strategy, or the bot I gave for free. Don't know if you've gotten it, but if you haven't gotten it, message me on Telegram or WhatsApp so I can send it to you. So I had lots of questions about how the bot works. I understood rather that in my previous video I did not really explain the nitty-gritties regarding these bots, and also because some language here, rather the language here is written in Spanish. The way I understood this whole thing was I screenshotted the page right here, and I went to my Google Translate to translate the writings. That's how I understood it. But today we're gonna have an explanatory video of how the bot works, the default settings, and the one setting I think is best, the setting that I use for this the bot, because there are lots of settings, guys. Look, the parameters are much. In as much as it is automated, guys, you do have to set certain parameters, although it comes with the default settings which I've installed, but you have to set certain parameters. And just so you know, this is the free version, guys. This is the free version, guys. This is not the premium version, so it is prone to certain error and losses, unlike the premium version that has a higher winning rate, a higher accuracy, about 95% accuracy, guys. So now let's get into the parameters. So normally if you've gotten the let's start from the top, okay? So normally if you want to load, you click load, then you click on wherever you stored or wherever you got the bots, and you can see the bots right here, the Cleanz FX DBot. That's what I normally choose. So I'm just going to cancel that because I already have it set up. Cancel this also. So normally if you haven't, yours is going to be this. Excuse me. Yes, this is how your setting is going to be, just like this. Now just so you know, this bot has different, you can trade different what do I call it, different segments or markets. As you can see here, it says synthetic indices, guys. If you click on synthetic indices, you can see it also trades forex. Let me click that. Forex, you see minor pairs. It also has major pairs. If you click that, as major pairs. So minor pairs, this is where you get major pairs, excuse me. So this is what you get also. You get. Now the candle interval is always 1 minute. Like I said, it's a scalping bot. You don't use it to trade long trades. Do you understand? This is a scalping bot, guys. So this is what you're gonna do, and you're gonna impute the amount you want to stake, just like HFX, the amount you want to stake per trade. Normally right here, that's USD. Normally yours, if you install this, it's gonna be in $2. So this is where you can change it. Oh, let me go back because I know there are certain errors. Let me start from the top again. Let's load it all from the beginning. So I'm going to click on load, click this and click it, then I open. So we can start from the top. You get. So if you come down here, There's this stuff here, this value initial. It is blocking where you can impute your the amount you want to use. What you want to do is you're gonna hold it, then move it to the right, drag and drop, just like that. Drag it and take it to the right. Now you're gonna see the initial amount. You guys, now with this $1, it means you're gonna be sticking just $1 per trade, guys. $1 per trade. Now let's go back to what's it called, Forex minor pairs, 1 minute candle interval. And I'm gonna stick, let's take $5 or $10. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna stick $10 on a 1 minute trade, not 3 minutes, guys. 1 minute, because the intervals are in minutes, days, or hours. So 1 minute, that's what we're gonna do. 1 minute. Something is wrong right here. I believe this is supposed to be inside. I guess you can do 1 minute. Okay. Why can't we do 1 minute? Let's see. Okay, 3 minutes. That worked. How about 2 minutes? So 3 minutes is the minimum, guys. Excuse me. 3 minutes. I'm gonna impute that. 3 minutes. And there's something I want you to change also. You see this place is stated meta de lucre or whatever it is. You're gonna change that to 999, because if you don't change it, whenever you have a profit of $10, it's gonna end your bots. So I'm gonna change that to 9999. Beautiful. Then this martingale, once you screenshot and change to English through the Google Translator, you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand? So now I'm going to click this and keep it at 2. What I'm doing is, in case I have a loss, but probably I lost $4, it's going to multiply by 2, which is 8. If I don't do that, it's going to, what was it, was 3.25. So it's going to multiply that $4 times 3.25, and that's quite huge. We're not going to do that. Okay. So now let me try this now. Let's see. There's something we should have changed also, because we're gonna start. There's something we should have changed. This stuff right there. It says value initial. It means the initial amount. So you're gonna start with $2 before it goes to $10, and I believe that's what's happening here. So $10, and the payout is 12.92. Now the thing about this is, I bought or I staked $10. If I win, I'm gonna get 12.92, but if I lose, I'm gonna get minus $10. You understand? If you had the default sentence, you know that the initial trade is $2, then if you win is 45 cents. Most persons think that's quite small, but if you ask me, it's more or less about compounding, scalping and compounding, and I wouldn't want you all to risk that much. As you can see, the trade is still moving. We have 3 minutes down, so I wouldn't want you to risk that much. That's why I made that default settings. But if you want to go higher, then you can use this. But I'll still go back to synthetic indices, because I use this for predominantly synthetic indices. I don't trade currency pairs with this, so I'm going to show you how you can even make more money with synthetic indices, the options that you can choose to make money. If you think the 45 cents is very little for you, I'll show you other options and how you can even get about 1.95. If you stake $2, you get $1.95. That's quite huge, guys. It's almost like HFS, high frequency forex. I don't know if you know about it, but it's almost like that. So we have about 1 minute 25 seconds left to go. Let's see if we're going to win or not. Do you understand? So these are the settings. Like I said, right here we have other pairs. So I'm going to go back to, what's it called? I'm going to go back to synthetic indices. Now your default setting for synthetic indices is going to be in digits. This is what I use. This is how you get your 45 cents. But there's a better one, like I said earlier. If you click on digits, click on up and down, up or down rather. Now with that, you can get a much higher trade. Then we're going to go down. Okay, still $10. Then we're going to change this, like I said. Change this to $10 or whatever starting price you want to start with. We're going to start with $10, so I'm going to click that, and that's it. Yeah. So I believe that's it. Okay, so once this trade is done, would implement the second one. So let's see what happens. It's taking longer than I expected. Okay. And by the way, it's since we are on static indices, you can click whatever market you want. I want to leave mine in volatility 100. That's better if you ask me. 100, no, not 100s, just 100. Yes. Okay. I think we made something. We made 2.90s. That's quite small if you ask me. So I'm going to stop this so I can restart the new parameters we've implemented. So once this stops, we'll restart the new parameters we pardon me. We'll restart the new parameters we installed or inserted. So let this up. This is an online platform. Most times you can have network issues, so it's always recommended you reload the page. Do you understand? So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to reload this Deriv page. This is very slow if you ask me, guys. Very slow. Okay, and that's it. So let's be sure that our settings are there. Yes, up and down. Volatility 100. Volatility 100. Stake is $10. Yep. So let's try it now. Run. So it's buying. Let's see how it turns out, guys. So you just bought one tick. Let's see if I won. Wow, we won. Can you imagine, guys? We had a profit of 12 points. We lost $10. Now, like I said, this particular setting is not as profitable as the default settings which I've implemented, guys. Yes, you can make money, but you can also lose as much as, like, really. You see what's happening right here. And besides, this is like the free bots. But like I said, you can make good money with this particular option, this up and down option. If you don't use the digits option, this up or down option, you can make good money with it if you don't use the digit option. There are many options here, guys. You can try it out. Also, let me show you something. Now, this tick you're seeing here, it's like the duration of how long you want the trade to be. Let me show you this. See, we lost the trade now. Now it's gonna tick once, and it's gonna tell us if we lost or won. Just one tick. Let me change it to 2 tick, and let's see if it significantly changes anything. Okay, 2 tick. I'm gonna stop. We are about $19 minus. You can see, guys, this particular option is not really as profitable as you would think. So I'm gonna reload this page right now. Okay. Let's wait for it to load, then I run. It's gonna be 2 ticks now. I want you to see this. Previously it was 1 tick, now it's gonna be based on 2 ticks. Now see, tick 1, it's gonna tick the second one. 1 tick, it lost. 1 tick, 1 tick, it won the first tick. We won. So that's how it is, guys. Like, there are a whole lot of options, and the tick, believe me, the tick you implement might make it work or lose. I've noticed putting it on odd numbers really works. Like, let me show you something. This tick, putting it on odd numbers, let's say 3, 4, 5, but I don't go as much as 5. I do 1 or 3. Like, it works on odd numbers. So I've found out, guys. Let's see, we're just losing and winning, and it's not really doubling. Well, thank God it's not doubling. If not, we would have lost quite a lot right now. But you can see what's happening now. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna put it back at the default settings. So let's see what happens then. We've made $20, $29, guys. So you can see it works, and based on certain parameters. But I think putting it at 3. Okay, let's stop this. And let's see if the one with 3 works very well. So I'm gonna run now. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, yes, so 3 now. Let's see if 3 is gonna be more profitable, guys. Let's see. Wow, I lost another one. First tick, second tick, and I lost the third tick. So 2 tick works, 1 tick work, guys. We're down to $9 profits after this one. So we lost 3 in a row. So let's see. I think 2 works best, if you ask me now. From what I've seen, 2 works quite best. And excuse me, 2. Now, like I said, to the default setting, which is digits. Keep it at digits. Nope, not Asian. Digits. And how many tick? Let's make it 2 ticks this time. Still $10, and let's run. Let's see. Just that this particular digit is quite what do you call it? It's not only as fast as you'd want it. The profits are not as fast as you'd want it. You'd want to make good money, and it's not really that fast. Wow. Let's see, guys. This is just me testing it out, guys. Wow, it's really losing, guys. Losing like hell, guys. Okay, so what's gonna happen is I'm going to reset this and put it back. Let's start from the top again. This is quite a loss. $40 gone, guys, just by experimenting. So I'm gonna reset and I'm gonna load it back again. If you're having multiple errors, this is what I suggest. Load it back again, guys. So I'm gonna keep it 1 minute. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna change it back to 999. Oh, open, sorry. So this 999, and what else? This is gonna be 2. Sorry, 2. What else? This, okay, 2. Then shift this. Now $10. Okay, I think we're all done right now. So then let's try it out again. Like I said, there are a whole lot numbers of options, guys. A whole lot of options. Just back test it and see what works for you. Whatever works for you, then you come get the premium version. It's gonna work more better, guys. If it works for you on demo account, it's gonna work more better. And I would advise, if you're doing this, use an account of almost $100. Then you can see we're making good money because we resetted the whole thing. Like I said, use an account of almost what's it called, $100. In case you have losses, your account can hold these losses. Do you understand? I think this video is quite overdue, but as you can see, it's working, guys. It's working. We've made about $9 right now. This is more or less the safest option, guys. This is like the safest option, if you ask me. Just load the bots and you start winning. Load the bots and you start winning. This is like the safest option, guys. Look, 7 trades in a row, no losses. 7 trades in a row, no losses. And this is on 2 tick. Yes, 2 ticks. You can see right here. Like, come on, guys. This is amazing, guys. Like, this is a scalping strategy you can use if you do not look at the charts. You don't want to be thinking of how you're gonna map out support and demand levels, thinking of how you're gonna enter and exit the trade. Just use this and place the trade. Let it just make money for you. As simple as that, guys. 10 trades in a row, no losses. Like, come on. Nothing's gonna give you this much profit. There's no bot that's gonna give you this much profit. This is why you should subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel. I have good strategies that works. We've lost 1. Let's see if it's gonna double. Let's see. It did not double. We've lost 2 again. Okay, let's see. We've won back. Oh, we won back $4. But like I said, this is where you're going to impute if you want the martingale strategy or not. So I'm going to click on true. This is always going to be on true, and this is going to be on true. I think that's it.